Hello again, Joaquin. The other book that we will be reading this week is called Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is a nonfiction book, so that means that what we're going to be reading is real. Puerto Rico is an island that is warm year round. We're going to learn about some of the history of the beautiful island called Puerto Rico and some interesting facts, like did you know that you can swim in the ocean even in the winter? Let's do a quick picture walk and predict what we're going to read about. Puerto Rico by Michelle Dufresne. Looking at these pages, what are some things that you think that we might read about in this story? Look at the cool beach and the birds. What do you think we're going to learn about on this page? Look at the picture. What do you predict is going to happen on this page, or what are we going to learn? Looking at the flags. Ooh, look at this picture. What do you think that we're going to learn about on this picture? Predict. What do you think that we will read about? Before you get started, there's just a couple words that I wanted to point out to you. The first word that I wanted to point out to you is on page 8, and that is newcomers. Newcomers. And newcomers are just people that are new to a certain area. The next word that I wanted to point out to you is on page 11, and that is dangerous. Dangerous means that something is not safe. And diseases. Diseases are illnesses. The next word that I wanted to point out to you is on page 12, and that word is citizens. Citizens. So citizens are people that live in a certain place. Go ahead and read. And while we're reading this story, I want you to be thinking about our comprehension strategy. What are we going to learn about in the beginning of the book, in the middle of the book, and at the end of our book?